Hi, I'm Jared Dillingham in Manhattan, talking today about how easy it is to get from JFK into New York City. The easiest way, the most efficient and cost-effective way is definitely the AirTrain, and I want to walk you through what to expect from the moment you get off your flight. JFK's terminals are pretty big, so you'll be walking for a while toward baggage claim. As you get closer, you'll start to see signs overhead for the AirTrain. Keep heading down toward baggage and ground transportation. And of course, if you checked your bags, pick them up and then follow the signs back upstairs to the train platform for the AirTrain. There is no need to buy a ticket just yet. Now, you'll have two tracks. You'll want to choose the track with the train heading toward Jamaica Station. The trains leave every 10 to 15 minutes or so. It's kind of irregular. And it's bound to be crowded. Just let everyone on board off the train before you get on. The AirTrain will stop at other terminals at JFK and then the rental car area before taking you through Queens. You should be able to see the Manhattan skyline right off in the distance there. In about 10 minutes, you'll arrive at the large train station in Jamaica, Queens. And this is where you'll have to buy a ticket to exit the AirTrain. At the ticket kiosks, you follow the touchscreen to buy a Metro card specifically for the AirTrain. It'll be $8, and there are usually people around to help if you're struggling. And here's how you put your ticket in to open the gate. And from Jamaica Station, you could take the subway into Manhattan or the Long Island Railroad. We are going to take the railroad, so we'll have to buy another ticket to Penn Station. There will likely be staff here too to help if you need it. Railroad tickets are about $10 each into the city, depending on the time of day you're traveling. From here, check the screens for departure times to Penn Station and also which track to walk to. They run pretty frequently. And once you get to your track, signs above will tell you which of the incoming train cars has seats available. In this case, we'll walk down toward the green, open cars on the end. You can hear it's kind of a slow, clunky ride, but it'll get you into the city pretty quickly, specifically into Penn Station, which has been totally renovated these days. And from here, you can walk or take a subway to anywhere you like. Now, if you're traveling with a big group of people or you brought a lot of luggage with you, it's probably better to just go ahead and get a car service into Manhattan. Otherwise, the most efficient way to get from JFK into Manhattan is definitely the AirTrain.